Good day, everyone. I am Mitch Mansion, and for now, we will discuss the requirements to be complied under the MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. So let's start. MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. This is the international convention to prevent the pollution coming from the ships. This is to minimize and prevent the pollution coming from the ship and to contribute healthier and cleaner to the marine environment. MARPOL Annex 4. MARPOL Annex 4 is the prevention of pollution on the sea by the sewage coming from the ship. MARPOL Annex 5 is the prevention of pollution on the sea by garbage on a ship. And MARPOL Annex 6 is the prevention of pollution of air pollutant coming from the ship. Discharging of the said bad substances to the ocean that can harm marine environment is generally prohibited, especially to those special areas. MARPOL Annexes is provide rules and regulation to prevent pollution coming from those bad substances. MARPOL Annex 4 said that the ship required to have approved sewage treatment plant and commuting and disinfecting system and have a holding tank to hold the sewage. Like as well to MARPOL Annex 5, it is required to have a garbage management plan and garbage uh, record keeping and segregation processing. And lastly, the MARPOL Annex 6 requires to limit the sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide coming from the engine. This is to aim particulate matter emission that can contribute harm air pollution to the marine environment.